Hello and welcome to an introduction of the KA4, a product designed to enhance your daily experience with innovative features. This device combines sleek design with advanced technology to provide seamless performance in various tasks. Whether you are at home, work, or on the go, the KA4 adapts effortlessly to your needs. Its user-friendly interface ensures that you can navigate through functions quickly and efficiently. Built with durability in mind, the KA4 withstands everyday challenges while maintaining top performance. Experience the perfect blend of style and functionality that sets the KA4 apart from the competition. Stay tuned to discover how this product can elevate your lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.